All right, boys, I'm finally taking her to get fixed. All right, boys, I'm taking her to the shop today. I low-key didn't want to drive it over there, but I'm like, fuck it. Like, it's pretty close and it's not worth the tow, you know what I mean? Lock on shift knob though, 1, 2, 3, you already know. But I'm taking it to the shop today. Hopefully it doesn't take like years to fucking fix and all that, and hopefully it's not too bad, whatever's wrong with it. We'll see when we get there though, and I'll update you guys after and all that. But I'm about to go over there, so let's go see. Dropping her off, boys. She's behind that car. It was a fast drop off, but I hope they take care of her. I hope everything turns out good. Shout out to Yasser for coming with me. What? New whip, but you guys are gonna see later, you know what I mean? But hopefully they take care of her, boys. Oh, I just want her back. I just want her back. Okay, bye. Bro, look at these fucking Audis though. God damn. I like the black one, low key. The black one? Yeah, look, go forward a little bit. That one just looks sick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, you know what it is, bruh? You see that?
What?
That's my ass.
Oh, that's a good one out. Ow, dude, I can't run. Ow, dude, I can't run actually. Ow. Are you sore?
No.
Ow, that shit hurts, dude. Oh,
What are they
doing? I can't run right now. I can't run.
What?
I don't know, this thing almost killed me. Oh, hell no. Look at this shit. Sheesh. They're switching wheels right now because this was gonna trade it in for something else. But low-key, Misa's car looks nice, boys.
Bruh.
Misa got a bone. I don't think, shit. They're fat, bruh.
I'm gonna do it.
Never mind, take them back. The thing is, Misa doesn't have a butt.
I'm looking at my ass.
I'm talking about your car.
Oh, these?
Is it heavy?
BC coilovers, yes.
Let's see if it fits. That actually sounds like Misa. Twist it. Bop it. Oh, hell no, bro. You know what you look like? Like those fucking, the people that have 22s and shit. Like the people that have Cadillacs and have like 22-inch rims and shit.
Like the big ass rims?
Yeah.
I feel like it'll look cooler when I go down.
Wait, lower it real quick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Put the, like, half.
Put like two. Yeah, put them on. Just like screw them on like type thing. What he did, he tried to grab ass. What the hell is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who actually is this?
Hey, can you raise up the roof for me, cuz?
The wheel?
Can you bring it to me?
Oh.
You ain't got it.
Wait, don't lower it. Oh.
Oh, my numbers.
I want to see. God damn. You know, it actually looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? Should Misa run these or should he run those still? Actually, with both of them on, it looks pretty cool, actually. Let me see, watch out. Yo, those wheels actually look pretty sick.
No, I like the front ones better.
You like the front ones better, actually? Why?
I don't know, they just look like more fun.
What do you like better, Donovan? The front or the backs?
Normal one.
Really? You?
I like the back one.
The back one? Bro, lucky the back ones do look sick. It's because they're meatier and shit. They're fatter. So it looks like they fill it in more. What?
Some monkey ass nigga fucking my doors.
What the hell happened? What? What the fuck happened, dude? What the fuck? What actually happened?
Who is this nigga, bro?
Bro, the GoPro is retarded, boys. I'm gonna have to, if you know, you know, on Amazon. You know what I mean?
On Amazon.
If you know, you know.
What the one look? Come on, look. Are you ready to go? Oh, fuck.
Oh hell nah! You gotta get. Oh hell nah! Backfired. Oh yeah. That shit did not work.
God damn, nigga, what the fuck?
Whoa, this guy's lower, bro. Bro, look how many fucking pieces of wood Misa has to use, bro. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Oh, this?
Those woods look cool though.
Oh, this? Follow at Roach 4K.
Nah, his is over there. Look, right there. You see what I'm saying? He showed us earlier.
Yeah, this is probably like a plane flying by or some shit. Watching a little bit. Roach
Yeah.
4K.
You hear something?
Hell nah, nigga went all the way around.
That's right. It's okay on Instagram, you know what I'm saying?
I actually really like how these wheels look though. Like this setup with this and that, it looks pretty cool actually. Boys, the fucking GoPro is not working. I ordered a new one. Hopefully it gets here Friday, but I'm not sure when it's gonna get here. Everyone was supposed to come, but right now it's just me and
Right here?
Nah, chill. This is at the end of the video anyways. What the fuck you doing all that extra shit for, huh? I'm gonna kill this fool. Alright, boys. Okay. Oh, I got a new GoPro. I don't know if you guys realize. If you know, you know how we got a hold of it. But we were all supposed to come. Well, at least 5 of us. But everyone's working or doing something. So it's just me and this fool. I guess we're going on a date. He doesn't know where we're going. He's trying to figure out all of the hints I gave him. We're not getting out of the car. It's gonna take like 30-40 minutes probably. What else? But I don't know, like, if you know, you know, you know. It's something hella stupid, but low-key looks kind of cool. It might be lame though. We'll have to see actually. You excited or what? Nah? I don't know. When we get there, we'll show you guys. Cause look, I was thinking about blindfolding you. But I feel like that'd be too extra. Nah, that'd be hella extra. Just pretend you're sleeping, cause then they're gonna be like, oh hell nah, this was sus. Blindfolding him. Surprise! It's literally right here. Look what this was fucking hiding, bro.
But I'm fucking suffocating.
No, chill. You don't have to cover your eyes. I don't know why you're covering your whole fucking face. And yeah, boys, it's literally right there. I don't even know where the entrance is, to be honest, but hopefully it's cool. I don't know. I'm low-key excited. I'm not even gonna lie. It's low-key kind of cool. And look, the fucking daily got a check engine light. Oh, hey, oh no.
Oh,
all right, go look.
Nigga. Oh, hell nah.
What do you think? What is this? They're dinosaurs. Look. What do you think? Look at the fucking dinosaurs, nigga. Oh, hell no. It's cool or what? He's like, I want to go home, bro.
Go touch one, nigga.
You, right now when we do the turn,
Right now?
you have to. You gonna do it?
Right now? No.
This one. Wait. Right. Alright, go. Go fast. Oh, hell no. Go. Hurry. Roar! Oh, hell no.
Go touch that one.
That one's hella hairy, bro. I'm gonna touch my nuts or what? Oh shit, I like this motherfucker. And look at the tiny nigga here. Get a close up.
Right here with the sunset looks clean.
I like this one. Like this one looks cool.
That's a Apatosaurus, nigga.
A what?
Very noxic. What?
Ew, this one looks hella stupid.
Mine looks fat. It looks like he has breasts implanted.
Why is he hairy?
He's not hairy, nigga. From where?
Fuck, look at this one.
Yes, this one, nigga. Oh, that's the T-Rex over there. That's the king of the kings. Never mind.
The cookie's not even hard.
I was kidding, cuz. Oh yeah, it is her. What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying. Who's this one?
That's Misa.
That one's hella ugly.
Exact.
I've never seen that one before.
That one's Ramon. That one's me. The T-Rex.
Am I this one then?
Yeah. Nigga need some WD-40 or some shit.
Yo, that nigga has a big ass mouth.
Don't hold my hand, gay nigga.
I'm trying to fucking grab the GoPro.
No, you're not. You act different.
What do you mean?
That's a T-Rex.
What?
Go, 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 go,
You think
go, go,
people
go.
see me? Which one? This one?
Yeah. Hey, let's be my way. Let's go, go,
Should
go.
I
go.
do it?
Yes, nigga.
Let me see.
Yeah, nigga.
Woo! Ah! Oh hell no, they're not even soft, bruh.
Really?
No, they feel like wet trapo. Actually, no, they don't feel like that, but they feel weird.
That's a fucking cigarist.
What? This is the big boy. He's actually not even that. Actually, no. Imagine this shit chasing you.
Yeah.
That's actually kind of big. That's actually kind of big.
You have to be as far as my car.
Oh hell no. That shit's actually kind of big.
Yeah. I don't think the real life size of it.
They say it is, but I don't know how. Like, I've never seen one in real life. I didn't get a chance to see them. You know what I mean? What's that? Man down, man down, man down. Oh hell no, this was hella bloody.
We can't afford to demonetize the video.
Exactly. Oh,
Megalodon.
this one. Megalodon.
Same shit. That's actually not big. That's not it. Oh yeah, that is.
That shit's huge, bruh.
It's not that big, nigga. That blue whale is bigger than that shit.
Yeah, but that shit doesn't come after you like this motherfucker probably does.
That shit's probably hella slow.
That shit's hella big.
You gotta go. Where you looking?
Should I go?
Yeah.
I might as well here. Oh! 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 Oh!
That shit move too.
That shit's soft, bro. Oh, yeah. His tongue is soft. Ah, I'm nervous. Don't tell the people, guys. Don't tell the people. It could have been cooler, but like, I thought there was gonna be like more like fucking trees, fucking walls and shit, like to make it like actually look insane type shit. But I mean, they're just out here, just sitting there. But that's cool though. Look, I'm gonna put this right here. All right, boys, we're about to take a fucking photo, bro. Ew, that's hella cringe, bro.
Right there?
You actually want to?
Here. Yeah, fucking where it's free.
Alright, fuck it. Ew, I don't want to, bro. You know how cringe this is?
Go to this website, numbers in the white will be the code for the photo, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Have a good one.
Hey, too. Oh, hell no. That's cringe, bruh. We really took the. Oh, hell no. I'm gonna put the photo right here just so you guys can see. Oh, hell no. I wonder what it looks like.
Yeah, let me see.
Maybe it has a filter in the back, I feel like. Or like a boulder. What? Border? Oh, hell no. You use the bathroom or what?
Nah.
I mean, it was whatever. It was cool.
Alright.
Like, I thought it was gonna be different, but next time we'll come with the boys if anything.
What trailer?
I don't know. They're fucking bullshitting.